I wish to commit on behalf of the government that we will continue supporting our schools and runners with their requisite capitation. I also wish to clarify that contrary to recent reports in sections of the media, there is no intention on the part of the government to increase school fees. And I require to repeat that there is totally no intention by the government of William Samoei Ruto to increase the school fees in secondary or in junior school. I will be able to elaborate what the Education Committee and we as a government are doing to make sure that the figures as indicated here will be given to us by National Treasury, and for sure we consider that to be adequate. So there will be no increase.